Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best original line Nespresso machines available in the market, the Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe by Deluxe. If you're a coffee enthusiast looking to elevate your home brewing experience, stick around as we explore what makes this machine stand out. The Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe is more than just a coffee machine. It's a gateway to enjoying barista-quality coffee and espresso from the comfort of your own kitchen. Crafted with precision and convenience in mind, this machine promises to deliver a perfect cup every time with its innovative features and sleek design. Let's dive into what sets this machine apart. Firstly, it boasts a rapid 25-second heat-up time, ensuring you can enjoy your coffee without the wait. The VertuoPlus Deluxe offers 4 cup sizes: 5 ounces, 8 ounces coffee, and single or double espresso, making it versatile enough to cater to all your coffee cravings. Whether you prefer a bold espresso shot or a smooth, larger coffee. One standout feature included with this model is the Aeroccino milk frother. Perfect for creating lattes, cappuccinos, or simply adding a creamy touch to your coffee. The Aeroccino frother delivers velvety milk foam with just the touch of a button. It's fast, quiet, and easy to clean, a must-have for any coffee lover who enjoys specialty drinks at home. Designed with elegance in mind, the VertuoPlus Deluxe features a matte black finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its compact footprint means it won't take up much space on your countertop, yet it boasts an extra-large water reservoir to minimize refills. The machine's build quality, predominantly plastic, feels sturdy and durable, ensuring it stands the test of time. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee novice, the VertuoPlus Deluxe is incredibly user-friendly. The one-touch brewing system simplifies the coffee-making process, while the adjustable drip tray accommodates different cup sizes effortlessly. Cleaning is a breeze with removable components that are dishwasher-safe, maintaining both convenience and hygiene. Of course, the ultimate test of any coffee machine is the quality of coffee it produces. The VertuoPlus Deluxe excels in this area, thanks to Nespresso's renowned capsules. Each capsule is crafted with precision, ensuring optimal extraction and rich flavor profiles. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a smooth, aromatic coffee, the VertuoPlus Deluxe consistently delivers a delightful coffee experience. Wrapping up our review, the Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe by Deluxe is undoubtedly one of the best original line Nespresso machines available today. Its combination of intuitive design, versatility, and exceptional coffee quality makes it a standout choice for any coffee enthusiast looking to bring the cafe experience home. If you're interested in purchasing the Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe, check out the link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy brewing!